Okay, we are Group 11, myself Harsh Masne and Abhishek Gupta. Today we are presenting our design pattern assignment number 5, that is ATM simulator, using a state machine logic. Here our task was to add error checkings and cash dispensing rules. So we have divided the work as I have worked on few parts of the state.java file to build the state logic, and Abhishek has worked on the other part of the state file and accordingly updated the display panel.java file. Uh, let's first download the submission, then compile it, explain explanation of the code, and then finally verify it with the provided test files. I'll just unzip this folder. Let's open this code in VS Studio. So this is our file. Uh, Here, now I will start with the state.java file where first what I have worked on. So it has an enum where each state represents you can say a screen or a mode of the ATM. From here, the user can choose deposit, withdraw, or transfer. Then I have implemented the you can say pre-withdrawal as per the document, which checks the function can only transfer 20s as if there are too few 20s or not, too few 20 bills or not. So it has a uh, choice, you can say choice pre-withdrawal state. This is can only offer 20s logic. Then comes the choose pre-withdrawal. Okay, so here if it has fewer than 320s, it will display no cache. Otherwise, the limit is 25 20s, 500. 20 to 25 will be 400. Then 15 to 19 will be 300, and so on. And finally, last the 50. After that, it will pop up a message as no cache. Okay. Um, then comes the 20. um, okay, then comes the 20 only check. Uh, if the ATM doesn't have enough tens or ones, so then it will display a message. Then comes the important part, that is withdrawing state, which will validate for balance check, that is check limit, then sorry, check funds, then check limits and the availability of the bills. Um, Further, we can what uh, cash dispenses will be explained by Abhishek, and the other part of the code what he has updated. So yeah, Abhishek, you can go ahead.
Yeah, so the dispense logic has like use as many 20s as possible over here. And then we use like tens and then finally use the ones. Yeah. And like this updates the num 20s, num 10s, and the num 1s. You can just, yeah, that one. Then the 20 only mode, like if the ATM is in like the withdrawal underscore 20s, then the user must enter the multiples of the 20s. Otherwise it should show the like a warning and like stay in the loop. Yeah, it's over there. Yeah. And so like lastly, like the transfer and deposit, which is in the state machine inputs. Can you show that? Yeah. Yeah, so I will accept the key to collect the numerical amount and set the proper transition back to init. Further, like I have worked in the user interface, making sure the like screen matches the message. So can you just open the like display panel.java? Yeah. So in the display panel.java like files, I have added the method as like show 20s only message, like then show 20s only warning, then show no cache, then show withdrawals limit and show withdrawal error limit, and the show withdrawal error. Yeah. So next, like Harsh will run the ATM simulator with the test file generation, and like we will verify the test file with the ones which is provided by the professor, just to compare like we are getting the correct output. Can you just run the?
Yeah. So I'll first compile the code. The code is compiled. Let's run the ATM simulator. Uh, uh, ATM simulator is up. So here, as you can see, uh, the files are generated, and the test files provided by the professors are here. So I'll just open first the output from what the professor has given, and then I'll open what our code has generated. So here, as you can see, code is getting launched. First test. Let's open the
Yeah. S6. Yeah, we are getting the
Six of them.
identical outputs. Yeah.
We'll see one more.
Yeah, randomly open any one of those.
Yeah,
Yeah. So let's check for 5. Yeah.
yeah, it's getting matched. So yeah, as you can see, we are getting what actually the professor's output is. That's all with this assignment.
Yeah, that's all for the assignment. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Harsh.